Hey guys, it's good to catch up with you again. Hope you are all doing well. If you are going through a rough patch, yes, stay strong and weather the storm, for good times are ahead. Well, let's move into the video. In this video, we are going to see a cool YouTube tool to check YouTube channel name availability. Let's get on to it. Actually, when we choose a username, we will have to literally go to every social media to check whether the username is available on that respective platform. But what if we can ditch this process and check the username availability of all social medias in a single space, that too in a single click? Sounds fantastic, right? Actually, we can do this with the help of the website called NameChecker. So now I'm just going to go ahead and head to the website. So this is how the first page of the website will look like. You can actually check the username availability of all these respective social medias in a single space. Actually, we have a few more. So you can check the username availability of all these social medias in just a click. You can even check the domain name availability. So I'm just going to do a search here. I'm just going to enter Sherlock Holmes. You see the .com domain name is not available, and the name is not available on Facebook, it's not available on Twitter, and it's almost not available on all major social media platforms. So that's how you check the username availability in just a click. Now let me try out a name that I have in mind. Even this is not available, so let me enter some other name then. So as you can see, the .com domain name is not available, and the name is not available on Facebook and Twitter, but you see it's available on Reddit, Tumblr, Twitch, and the .net domain name is available. It's available on MySpace. It's available on most social media platforms. So that's how you figure out the username availability in a single space. Actually, this can save us the frustrating process of going into every social media sites that's present here. So it's quite handy when it comes to searching the username availability. Well, that's it for now, guys. Hope that was useful. If you have any suggestions or queries, feel free to drop it in the comment section below. I will do my best to offer a solution to that. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you in the next video.